did you ever imagine yourself in a different career? Yun na nga, sinabi mo.
Nako. Ay, nako.
Is that serious? You wanted to be...
a singer.
A singer?
Oo, gusto ko maging Gary Valenciano. Pero wala naman akong dance moves.
Ayan na.
Ay, mamaya na. Gusto ko rin maging Martin Rivera.
Oo.
Hindi ba? And I also wanted to be in musical theater. I wanted to be part of Les Miserables, Miss Saigon, Phantom of the Opera, pero panaginip lang.
Naku!
Panaginip lang.
Ang dami mong minention. Pwede ba natin palampasin to, mga kada, na hindi natin naririnig ang tinig niya?
Sample ba? Sample? Nako, maganda ngayon, alam mo, na magsasample ako. Kasi ang init-init, kailangan umulan.
Oh, yes!
So, pag kakakanta ako,
tingnan
uulan.
natin, baka yan talagang kailangan ng mga kada natin everywhere dahil sa init ng panahon.
Yan.
So, pwede ba natin marinig ng Very Very Light?
Ito was my proposal song to my wife. Si Melanie, di ba? Kinanta ko sa kanya ito, tapos sinabi niya yung matamis niyang oo.
Ay!
Ayan.
Naku, mag-e-expect ako, ha? Dapat maganda
well,
talaga.
it was popularized by Martin Rivera, and the song is Be My Lady. Yan.
Sige nga. Konting katahimikan po.
Be my lady. Come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Truly, I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you. How I need you. Yan. Parang may arte pa, no? So please, be my lady.
This is Pia Guanyo Mago. For more Kada Umaga updates, please click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook page. See you guys. Bye!